What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be showing you the weapon and armor crates as well as the mystical crate location for the Sutherland chemical plant. Right over here is where we'll find all of the crates that we need. First of all, the armor and weapon crate. Zooming in over here on the northwest side, just over here, you'll find this. Up at the top of this is the first weapon crate that we want. So we'll need to find a way up here, and we can do it from the center by climbing up this staircase, then moving across to our right, going up this, we eventually land up at the very top where we'll have a small little mini boss fight, usually from an umbrella man over here. Otherwise, if they're already down, you'll just find the umbrella left over. It is quite a difficult fight if you don't have enough bullets, so just make sure you're prepared. The gear crate is what we want here, so I'm activating it. Bam, there we go. This is what we get out of it. Then the weapon crate is in the same building as the mystical crate, which is this big blue warehouse over here. You'll find it all the way pretty much in the center over here. What we need to do is get inside of this building, heading all the way around the front, which is on the eastern side. You'll find this over here. The weapon crate is up in that top building, and the mystical crate is just to our right over here. We need to travel along the same path in order to get both of these. So first of all, the weapon crate. Let's clear it out first, and we'll head up this left side over here. So coming up around into this little side door over here, what we'll do is head around the back, up, and in here, you'll find this, which is the weapon crate, which I've already looted. Then, in order to get our way to the mystical crate over there, we need to do a little bit of parkour. While you may think you can make it out this window, which you can, but you're going straight down, what you want to do is climb on top of this little control box on this side of the room, then across onto this one, across onto the roof, which can be a little bit difficult to do, and we'll make our way across to this beam. From here, run and jump all the way across onto this section here. Now that we're on this, we can head all the way around and across here, then down over here where there's a ladder to get out. In here, you'll find the Mystic Crate. So, bam, looting. There we go. This is what we got from the Sutherland chemical plant, and that completed it. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.